How's it going? I wanted to make a quick video of me welding the stainless steel plate that I've added to my carbon steel smoker. I wish I would have recorded it from the beginning, but I didn't have too much time. But now that I have time, I'm slowly gonna start posting a little bit more videos. I'm gonna show y'all this smoker that's almost done. So it was done out of some old pipe we had laying out in the back. You can see that's where you'll feed all the wood. So we're gonna paint it pretty soon. Right now it's been raining, so we're probably gonna have to sand it down again. So I have quite a bit to weld, and I think I'm gonna TIG it out all the way, just to seal it up right there. I decided to make it out of stainless steel because I'm gonna use this little spot to heat up tortillas and all that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by cleaning up some of this top area right here where it rusted up on the carbon steel, just so I can go ahead and start welding on this first. So unfortunately I had to stop because I was running out of argon. I thought I cut it on, but I didn't cut it on all the way. So here we go. I mean, besides it being dark, I don't think it's too bad. So yeah, the argon made a difference. You see, dark, a little bit more colorful. Had to stop because I ran out of filler rod. I'm gonna just keep going and finish it all the way. All right, almost done. I ran out of filler rod again, so I'm gonna just finish that little piece off. What I think I'm gonna do down here is I'm gonna get some 332 filler rod, and I'm gonna just melt it together, just to make it quicker. All right, let's go ahead and weld that bottom part. So I didn't calculate the time. My students are about to be here. I have about 30 minutes to finish welding the rest of it. So I went ahead and just got some stick rods so I can knock it out pretty quick because, you know, TIG takes a little bit longer. All right, so in just 5 minutes, I finished out that whole side right there. I like letting the slag harden and cool off on its own. So once it comes off, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So I'm taking a little water break. Let me show you what my students got going on over here. So this is only his third coupon that he's done in the 5G position. I think he's doing pretty good. He's ready to add the next one over here. But that was a fail. My phone just fell. Made me arc out. I guess I'll find a different angle. These things get red hot. Once you get to about 3 inches, this thing is red hot. All right, let's go. Now I got lazy to feather it. All right, so there I have it welded all the way around. So I'm gonna just let it cool off a little bit more. That way the slag comes out a little bit easier. This stuff on stainless gets caught on there pretty good. Well, I tried to take some of the slag out, but it's caught on there pretty good. But I cleaned up a little section so you can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like with some 309 filler rod. So under all that slag that gets caught on there pretty good, I think it comes out pretty cool. So it was just a quick little video just for fun. I will be making a little bit more content. I like fabricating a bunch of little stuff like DIY for the house and stuff like that. This one I built for one of my buddies because he helped me around in some projects, so I did him a nice birthday present. It's almost done. We just gotta obviously wire wheel it again, and we're gonna paint it, and that's it. I am gonna build another one for my house. I'm gonna do a little bit different than this one. So stay tuned for whenever I do the build on that one. And I'm trying to get our plasma cutter to work. Everything you see right here was hand cut by one of my buddies that works here with me. So he did a really good job on that. Thank y'all for watching.